Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, Dollar Tree is right behind me. I was not planning on doing a video. I only ran out today to look for something for a friend, and I am so happy. Can you see the love and the happiness in my face? I am so happy that I came to Dollar Tree today. I'm literally on my way to a hair appointment, and something just said, girl, go to Dollar Tree. You know you need to stop at Dollar Tree. You guys, I found the cutest things ever. Now, I'm going to say this is going to be one of my favorite Dollar Tree hauls. And yes, I've been hauling from Dollar Tree for years. And I am going to say that this is my favorite. Are you ready to see what I found on the shelves? You guys better lace up your shoes and get ready to run to the Dollar Tree. There's a couple things. This is going to be a small haul because I did buy multiples. But when I show you this, you guys, I'm trying to be careful. Okay, so if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know behind me on my regular setting at home, what sits behind me on the shelf? That gold balloon dog, right? My giant gold balloon dog. You guys, Dollar Tree has them. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. The mini balloon dogs. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. I picked up a couple. And they not only just had the gold. Uh-oh, this one got stuck. The sticker got stuck. They had silver. So you have the gold and the silver. Yes, I picked up multiples, you guys. I can't even pull them all out of this bag. And not only did they have the balloon dogs, they had the balloon elephants. Yes, the balloon elephants. Look at his little trunk. Oh my goodness. And I love elephants. And the good thing about this is I always say that when an elephant, to me, elephants signify like good luck. And especially when the trunk is upwards. When the trunk is up, to me, I've always heard that was good luck. So I'm happy the trunk is up and not like laying down. But I just love elephants. And so a balloon elephant, and I did get it in silver. You guys, I was like super excited when I ran into these. And then they had, and I just purchased one of these at the 99-cent only store. It was a little bigger than this, but I don't care. I had to pick them up from Dollar Tree as well. It's the mini Eiffel Towers. And they had them in gold, of course. They had silver, and they have pink. These are adorable, super adorable. So I did pick up the pink and the gold. Yeah, and like I said, you guys, I have a bag full of balloon dogs, a bag full of them. I just couldn't. I could not resist it. I couldn't. And then also I did see some new wax warmers. And this one is really pretty. I love that little design on that. And I don't really burn wax too much like at the top. But they did have some new fragrances. I didn't pick any of them up. I think I'm going to just save this and probably give it to my mom in like her basket that I make her around Christmas time. So I might just give this to my mom. I'm not sure. They did have blue as well, but I only picked up the white one. And then I also found these. And I think these are super fun. Look at these. So what it is a mug sleeve. So you know how you have your coffee cup, and it's the sleeve for your mug. If I could slide it over. So this one is the gold and the black. Looks like that. So you can take these with you. The inside looks like it's made out of like felt or something like that. So you can take these with you in your purse, and when you get your little Starbucks or your coffee, you have your own little mug sleeve. They had the black and gold. I also got the pink, and what color is that? Pink and silver. These are so cute. Dollar Tree ain't playing, y'all. They not playing. Then I got the blue and the pink. So I did pick up the 3. I think these are super fun and cute, and you know they would cost more than $1 somewhere else. Then I only picked up a couple more things. They have the new Revos. They had the watermelon, which I already still have a couple watermelons, but I had never seen this flavor before, and it's tropical coconut. And so I went ahead and picked up these because I do like Revo lip balms. I got that. I picked up 2 pairs of socks. This is a 2-pack, and it has the flamingos and the dots on the back. And I picked those up for my daughter because I know she'll like those. I also got 2 of these because it is time of the year. It's the time of the year where people is going to get sick. And these are good to have in your purse or whatever. And it's just the Vicks Vapor Drops. And how many is in here? 20 of them in each box. And these are like just perfect for you to keep in your purse or whatever. I also picked up the no-show socks. I like these when I'm wearing my tennis shoes so that it looks like, like I'm not wearing any socks. And then on Instagram the other day, I did show that they had some cereal and stuff. So I didn't get most of them. I just picked up another one of these. I did pick up one of these the other day, which was the Ice Cream Scoops Cocoa Puffs, and my kids like it, so I just grabbed another box. And that is it for today's haul, but I am super excited by these. And I know they are going to fly off the shelf. I asked the worker, I was like, oh my goodness, when did you guys put these out? Because I know I didn't see these like 2 days ago. He said, we literally just put those out just now. And so I'm telling you, the balloon dogs and the elephants are going to go fast. So make sure you guys, get to the store to check them out. I was trying to see, I see the barcode on the bottom. I'll post a picture of that on Instagram when I do put the picture up, because I know a lot of people will start emailing me asking me what's the barcode for stuff like this. And so yeah, I'll put that on Instagram when I post the picture, in case you're wondering. But that's it. Let me get out of here. I'm supposed to be going to meet meet the girl so I can get my hair done. And I was not supposed to be doing this video right now. But I had to come and share with you guys real quick, so she just gonna have to wait, because my Dollar Tree ladies needed to see these things. So thank you guys all for watching. I think I took some pictures. I don't know. I think I did. I don't remember. But if I did, they're coming up now. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.